Hey friends, GATORMOM here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have a review and packing video to share with you on the Rothys Essential Tote in Desert Sand. Alright, I'm going to jump right into what I have packed up inside here and not spend too much time on the overall up close features or anything like that of the bag, just because I went over that in pretty good detail in my first impressions video, which I will link below for those of you that may have missed that. There's not too much on the outside of this bag, so it kind of makes it easy to jump right into the inside. You don't have any external pockets. There's no cell phone pocket. There's no little key leashes or anything like that as far as the outside of the bag is concerned. It is kind of a mirror image on the front and the back. And then you do have the option to zip it completely closed at the top, which is how I have it here. I do want to touch on the tote straps for just a quick minute though, why I have the bag all put together and closed up. I really like these tote straps. I like how comfortable they are. I like how they do not slip off my shoulder when I wear them. They're nice and sturdy, and I feel like I can pack this bag really full, which is how I have it today. I have, you'll see in just a second, my planner and a book and a laptop. So things that would relatively be heavy on a normal basis, I don't feel like this bag is going to give in any way. Like, I just feel like the tote straps are really sturdy. I also like how they fold completely down on the sides. I typically carry this bag open without it being zipped, which I'll show you here in just a second. I did want to make sure to show you it like zipped off right off the bat though. But because I like to carry it open style, I appreciate the fact that these straps don't stand up like this, but yet they're a really strong, durable material. I also wanted to point out that right here at the very top of the tote, you have the signature Rothy stripe. This is a royal blue striped accent that's on all of their products. It's just something that's signature within the brand. So I think it's a really cool location kind of right there at the top of the tote. Now unzipping the bag and getting into what I have packed inside and all of the features. The zippers are really smooth on everything that I have had from Rothy so far. I think that they're very high quality. I like that this zipper pull actually has two different colors. It has that like poppy red, and then you also have that khaki color. So I think that that's pretty cool. When you open the bag, the flaps of the zippers will go completely flat, so you won't have any issues about them popping up or anything inside the bag. This is how I personally like to carry it. I love how durable and strong this fabric is, so I just don't have any issues with leaving it open like this. If I'm going to be somewhere where the bag might fall over, of course, I might just go ahead and zip it up, but 9 times out of 10, this is how I like to carry this particular bag. So looking inside the tote, there are so many ways that you can pack this up. You can use it for travel, you can use it as a mom bag / diaper bag, you can use it as like a work bag, which is kind of how I have it set up today. There really are so many different things that you can use this just open tote concept for. So the only pocket that you have inside the bag, the only real feature besides just the big openness of the bag, is this pocket back here that is sewn into the top of the tote. It is one zipper. I just have a couple of things in there that I grab for a lot right now. I have the zipper unzipped just because it's easy like that. I have a big hand sanitizer. This is by Grove. It is my absolute favorite hand sanitizer right now. It is the blood orange scent. And this is actually a new one that I just got, like a new bottle, and that's why I have it stuck down in there. It's just easy to carry one this big if I have my whole family with me or whatever the case is. So I always have that one on me. Then I always have some type of wipes. I have some wet ones that are left over in this pack, and then just some basic Clorox wipes if I need to wipe something down. Right in front of those, I have a half of a pack of tissues. And then I also just have a granola bar and like one of those little fruit strips if I need something while I'm out. So all of that fit down inside this pocket perfectly fine. If I wanted to lay the wipes horizontally, that's definitely an option there. So that the zipper would zip closed, but I just happen to have them vertically. So right here on the front, you also have the Rothy's like logo stitched down in there. And like I said, the option to zip up that pocket. So that's what I have right there inside that pocket. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out what I have inside, and then I'll save the essential pouch, which is back here in the back for last, so I can kind of show you more in detail what fits inside of there. So the main big things that I have packed up inside here is just a book that I'm just now starting to read. I have not really even gotten into it, so can't tell you if I like it, but I love Emily Griffin. She's one of my favorite authors. So I have a new book by her. And then I also have my Erin Condren planner in here. You guys know I'm obsessed with my Simplify planner. It's probably my #1 recommended planner. I've been with this one a little bit and I do like it. I've just been doing a lot of content type planning for Ahead for Gator Mom, and that's what I essentially use this for. It's also a notebook in the back. It's I think it's their monthly planner, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know a lot about Erin Condren. Like I said, I'm more of a Simplify girl, but there's just a small little planner section here in the front, and then you have all of these notes pages. So I've been carrying this around a lot just because I've been using the notes pages, if anything else. So I have that in there. Then I have 2 pouches over here on the side. There's nothing else over here. I did have plenty of room. It's actually downstairs, but to put my water bottle over here on the side, no problems with that whatsoever. And then I just have 2 little square kind of pouches here. This one in the front is the Arlo Pouch by Dagny Dover. This is such a neat little pouch. This is the small one. They do have a large one, which I actually prefer if I have any more electronic type things with me, or even my other computer. I tend to carry that one also. You have a little pocket here in the back, and then this little loop. I just have attached here a external like charger that I got from Target. And I just think it matches pretty cute on this one. So I just have it attached there to the back. Nice big chunky zippers. And then this little pouch opens completely flat and it holds all of my tech stuff. So I have my charger over here for my MacBook. And then I also have the little external drive for all of my like memory cards and things like that over here. So plenty of room if I wanted to put like some more memory cards up here, or even add in another charger, say for like my Apple Watch or something like that. So this is a super fun little accessory from Dagny Dover. Now next to it there, which looks so cute next to this pouch, is the medium size Catchall from Rothys. I love this little thing. I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not. This, like I said, is the medium size. They have a smaller one and then they have a larger one, and I cannot wait to get all 3 and kind of compare them all for you guys. The zippers are so smooth, like I was mentioning earlier, but I just think it looks so cute even up against this particular Arlo pouch from Dagny. Like the colors even go, and they're just really good kind of accent with each other. So in this little catch-all here, I actually just have all of my small cosmetic type things for myself, and that opens up nice and big with that big kind of like pop of pink lining. But I have my hand cream in there, I have hair ties, tons of lip products. I have a couple of these little travel face wipes here because it's summertime and you never know when you're gonna want one of those. I have my peppermint stick by Posh, my healer stick, lip products, like I said. The very bottom down here, I actually just have some band-aids and a nail file, some eyeglass wipes, travel scissors, and then I have my lip scrub up here as well. This is an awesome option if you want to use this just strictly for a cosmetic purposes. Even say like if you're traveling on an airplane or something like that, it's just great to have all of your makeup and things like that in here. You can really open it up and see everything easily. I just love it. I think it's a really fun accessory. So, and I like how compact it goes down inside the bag. Like there's no, it's like structured and everything fits in it just so neatly. So I'm a big fan, big fan. Okay. Then moving on to the last item that I have inside the bag here is just my laptop. So 9 times out of 10, I won't even carry it in a case, just because I don't ever I don't commute anywhere with it, or I'm usually pretty careful with my bag. But I do have this little sleeve if I want to stick it in there. This is a 13-inch MacBook. So it's a thin like computer, and obviously there's no problem putting that down in there. In this front pocket, I actually just have a couple of pens, kind of planner supplies, things like that. But if I don't have the sleeve with me, I just take it out of there. Now, my 15-inch laptop fits perfectly fine inside here. Let me actually grab it and show you guys, because that was one of the #1 questions that I have been getting on this bag. All right, so I have here my big laptop. It's kind of thin, but it is big. It's a 15-inch, I believe, if not bigger. and that fits in there with no problem. You could easily put the laptop in a case and still not have any issues with it. Sometimes I will carry both of mine with me just because I'm in the process of kind of moving things out of one into the other. And if I have both of them in here, there's absolutely no issues with putting them in here. So that was, like I said, a question I was getting a lot as to what size laptops and all of that will fit inside. And I'm pretty sure you can fit any size inside this tote. So now, kind of turning the bag around, I want to show you the other side here. This is what the other side of the tote looks like. It's pretty much the same as the other, only it does not have this zipper pocket here. The very bottom there, you have that support kind of piece that comes in this bag, and I'll pull it out here at the very end and show you if you guys missed it in my first impressions video. But what I have attached back there is the essential pouch. I am so glad that I purchased this because I was really on the fence with whether or not I needed it. I have so many pouches already and I just didn't know how it was going to be different from others that I already have, and I love it. Especially if you have this essential tote, I feel like the pouch is a must-have. It secures back here in the back by these two magnetic circles. Let me kind of go up a little bit higher so that you guys can see in there. But it won't move around inside your bag or anything like that. I think it comes in so many different colors, and I think it's perfect for just kind of sitting in there and not having to worry about it. I love it a lot. Let me actually kind of pause on it though so I can give you a good look on the inside here of the bag before I open up that essential pouch. That's what it looks like with that base down inside the tote there. Move this off to the side just a little bit and show you the essential pouch here. I love this color, like it matches this catch-all perfectly. It's like the same, but like I said, there's a ton of different colors and patterns and things that come in this pouch. You have your signature blue stripe right there at the top, really smooth zipper, and a nice wristlet. I have everything in here that I would need to pull out if I'm going in a store really quickly and I don't want to carry my whole tote bag with me. So this is like my little on-the-go kind of clutch, if you will. I have things like my AirPods in here. I have a hand sanitizer. I also have an extra face mask. The one I typically wear, I keep in my car, but I have another one in here just in case. Then I also just have down in here a pack of gum. It's like a slim pack. I have my big O-Venture keyring with tons on here. I have a lippy clip with my chapstick, my car keys, and a hair tie. All that's just attached here on my ring. And then the last thing I have down in here is my favorite wallet at the moment. I've really been liking this one. It is another product by Dagny Dover, but it has two magnetics here and has like some spots there for cash and whatnot, and then all my cards. But it's a really slim wallet, and I think that's why I like it so much. So that obviously goes down in here like no problem whatsoever. So this is what the pouch looks like. And then of course on the back here, you have the two little circles that are the magnetic circles that attach to the inside of the bag. So there you have it. Super cute. I like kind of the lining over here on the side of the bag too. I just think that the color is really fun for summer. So that's everything I've packed up inside this essential tote. I hope this was helpful for you. I know when I was shopping for this bag, I didn't see a whole heck of a lot of Rothy's content on YouTube, so I wanted to make sure I got this one out here and was as detailed as possible for you guys. So if you have any questions or comments, as always, I'm happy to hear from you in the comment section, and I will talk to y'all on my next video. I hope you have a great day.